Welcome back to another session on numbers. Today we're going to talk about the last digit concept. and let's say a question comes and he asks you what is the last digit when you have 2 to the power 37, 12 to the power 137, 112 to the power 495. We'll try to see how we get the answers for these questions. So let's say we have to get the answer for these. Let us come back on this, but before that, let's talk about what the concept of last digit is. So let's say if I ask you a question, you find out a last digit for 117. If I say simply 117, you say the last digit comes out to be 7 here, which is if I ask you how did you get it, you say we can see it that the last digit is coming out to be 7, so we simply write it as 7. And that's a good way of doing it. If I say no, you find it for 2 to the power 3. What you do is you simply do 2 into 2 into 2, which comes out to be 8. So you simply say the last digit is 8. But the problem is, till the time when these numbers are 2 to the power 3, which gives you 8 and so on, this was fine. But the moment I say, you find it for 2 to the power 47, now I can't multiply 2 till 47 times and get the number. So what I do is, in such cases, I end up doing, so I will have to do something. Let's see what we can do. Let's say 2 to the power 1 gives me 2, 2 to the power 2 gives me 4, 2 to the power 3 gives me 8. Similarly, if I scroll it a bit up and I write 2 to the power 4, which gives me last digit. We are only talking about a last digit. It gives you 16, but the last digit is 6. 2 to the power 5 will give you 2. 2 to the power 6 will give you 4. 2 to the power 7 will give you 8. And 2 to the power 8 will give you 6. Now, if you see, there is a pattern. This pattern is running again and again. So that means there is a cyclicity. We call this concept a cyclicity, and you have a cyclicity of 4. After every 4 terms, it will again be 2486, 2486, 2486. So great, sir. You told me this, but how does it solve a problem of 2 to the power 47? Let's see how it solves. Let's say if we have to find out 47, what you have to simply do is take 47, divide it by 4, whatever comes as a remainder. So check for a remainder. Let's say remainder in this case would come out to be 3. Put that in a power of 2. If you put 3 in a power of 2, you get 8, which is your answer. Let's do it for a simple number so that you can get it. 2 to the power 7. I take this number, this power, I take 7, divide by 4. Remainder comes out to be how much? We are talking about remainder, not the quotient. So remainder comes out to be 3 here. You put 3 in a power of 2, you get 8, and check here. So that's a simple concept. Let's go back to the questions which we had above, and let's see if we can solve these questions. Let's say 2 to the power 37. What do you do is you take 37. We are only bothered about this piece. Take 37, divided by 4, you get 1 as a remainder. We are talking about remainder again. So 2 to the power 1 gives me 2. So your answer for this one is 2. Let's go to 12. So this time, it is not 2, it is 12, sir. How would you solve this one? So what we do is, let's see how we multiply. When you multiply 12 with a 12, you normally end up doing 2 to 4 and 2, 1, 2, and you put a cross here. Now I'm least bothered about what's there beyond this. I'm only talking about a last term. The last digit I will get from this. So we simply say that, last digit only comes from this part, this part. So that means I'm only having a question 2 to the power 137 rather than 12 to the power 137. So you simply solve 2 to the power 137. You take 137 divided by 4. You end up getting 1. Yes, and you put that in power of 2, which gives you 2. So this is also done. No, sir, let's solve 112495. How would you solve this one? So I'm least bothered about what the question is. I will only solve this part. So you take 2 to the power 495. This is what you have to solve. You will take 495, you will divide it by 4. You will end up getting 414, 428, 428, and 4312 gives you 3. You put 2 to the power 3, which gives you 8. So your answer is 8 for this one. So this is how you solve the questions which come on the last digit. What you have to do is you just have to check the cyclicity of a number. So cyclicity of a number here comes out to be 4 for 2. That means we'll always divide by 4. So in case of 47, what we did was 47 divided by 4 leaves a remainder 3. Whatever comes as a remainder here, whatever comes as a remainder, you put that in a power of that number. Number means this. So you put that in a power of 2, you get 8. That's your answer. That's a simple way of, the concept of last digit. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.